In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on the age restriction function on the YouTube app. So the first thing you need to do is open up the YouTube app and then tap on your profile icon at the top right. It's going to bring up this menu. Then you need to tap on settings, and then right at the top you need to tap on general, and then just scroll down a little bit, and right at the bottom it says restricted mode. This helps hide potentially mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate. The setting only applies to this app on this device. So to turn on age restriction, you want to make sure that is toggled on, and now you won't be able to see the mature or restricted content on YouTube. So that is how to turn on age restriction on the YouTube app. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.